How to schedule a video on YouTube on iPhone. Want your videos to go live at a specific time? Here's how to schedule your uploads from your iPhone. Start by uploading a video like normal through the YouTube app. For that, go to YouTube, then select the plus icon and select a video that you want to upload. Let's select this. Then go on video and select the video that you want to upload. Again, click next. Then set the video visibility to private before uploading so you can schedule it later. Select the visibility to private, and you can also schedule it right here. If not, open the YouTube Studio app, tap the uploaded videos and choose edit. Tap visibility and then choose schedule, just like here. Pick the date and time that you want to upload the video. Your video will automatically publish at the time that you selected. Perfect for planning your content. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.